I started my business 15 years ago, and we've come a long way since then. We manufacture chocolate and sell to some of the biggest names in UK retail as well as overseas. We opened in a single shop and there were just 3 of us. Today we have a 10,000 square feet facility, including manufacturing, distribution, sales, marketing accounts, you name it. Business is good. And like our cocoa beans, we've grown organically, although that has brought its own problems, like finding the right systems to run our business and making them all work together. As our business has grown, so has our headcount. And we now have over 100 staff working across all departments. And whether it's order management for our customers or shipping data and distribution, the amount of data in this place is crazy. I still head up IT, but I'm not from an IT background. And although we have invested in infrastructure as and when the business has demanded it, the result is that we have all this kit and all these software applications, but they don't speak to one another. And all I'm doing is recruiting more and more people to move data from one place to another. It's a nightmare, but that's just our own internal problems. On top of that, we have to deal with other people's requirements of us. These guys are our biggest customers, and so when they say they want to automate the supply chain, that is what we have to do, or we risk losing their business. So we have to find a way of sending data back and forth across marketing, sales, manufacturing and supply. And whilst they are our biggest customer, they're not our only one. And we've got 5 other clients who want us to do just the same, just in different formats. So you can see, meeting the requirements of our customers is one issue. But what about the supply chain? Can we automate that? And this is where Franco, one of our cocoa suppliers, grows his beans. He's why I got into chocolate manufacturing in the first place. But can you imagine me saying to Franco that he has to provide his data in a certain format? Not really. Franco has very basic systems, and when importing, provides us with enough data to meet our obligations. Most of the time, if we're lucky, our supply chain consists of an exchange of emails or a PDF, and that relationship works. So in an ideal world, we'd still be able to use those emails and PDFs to feed our own systems. Now, back in the UK, this is more like it. This is where our chocolate molds are made. As you can see, it's a more formal environment, and they have got systems. The quality of their products is amazing, and I'm not going to junk them just because they provide data in the wrong format. But it would be handy if we could find a way of picking this up electronically. As you can see, our requirements are complex. I'm happy to invest and have the budget to do so, but where do I start? We don't have large IT resources like some of the bigger suppliers, and in order to maintain our profits, meet our needs and the needs of our clients, we need to find a solution. I love my business, and every day is a new challenge, but IT risks being the thing that holds us back, not pushes us ahead. It's like being on a treadmill. Well, that was us 18 months ago. Thankfully, since then, we've implemented a solution from HULFT, and it's met all of these competing data demands, including integration, automation, transfer, extraction, and conversion. The software is already used by over 10,000 companies around the world, so they already knew exactly what we needed. They made integrating to my systems quick and easy, and for others, like my guys in South America, they were able to connect all necessary data and put it into the right format. As a result, we're more efficient as a business, headcount is more strategic, and as the business owner, I have far better visibility across the entire operation. This has worked for me. See what HULFT can do for you.